Hello, and it's a big breaking news coming in from Pakistan. The last ODI they have played versus New Zealand. It's coming out that Fakhar Zaman is ruled out from the ICC Champions Trophy. Till now, we are getting that it's this Imam ul Haq. Imam ul Haq could be the potential replacement because there was a fitness test of him, I think 2 or 3 days ago. But Shamikda, what's the complete story? Fakhar Zaman out of only from the India versus Pakistan game or from the complete Champions Trophy? Do we have to wait more, or there's anything about whole of the story?
Fakhar is ruled out of the Champions Trophy.
Okay.
I'm a little surprised that it is chest muscular pain because he suffered a blow on his leg yesterday.
Yeah.
So chest muscular pain and scan reports are not positive. So he is out. And Imam ul Haq, I mean, they are trying to turn back the clock by picking Imam ul Haq, and it shows the dearth of talent in the Pakistani batting ranks.
Yes.
Because when you are going back to Imam ul Haq, I mean, who sort of doesn't have a future as far as you can,
ODI cricket or white ball cricket
white
is
ball
concerned.
cricket is concerned. You are turning back to him. That showed the paucity of talent in the Pakistan batting ranks. No wonder they lost to New Zealand comprehensively in the tournament opener. I expected Pakistan to play well because whatever happened in the Tri-Series, that was a different thing.
Yes.
Champions Trophy, you play with a different intensity in front of a packed house at National Stadium in Karachi, and you fail to turn up. Babar Azam killing the entire momentum of Pakistan.
Exactly.
And then
even the way Fakhar played last night, it was unconventional.
Unconventional. That was very uncharacteristic of Fakhar. But Fakhar is the one player in this Pakistan batting lineup who can up the ante.
Yes.
Right. So it's a massive blow. Massive blow because they don't have a replacement for Fakhar in this setup.
Exactly. Never. You have Usman Khan now as a potential replacement in the squad. To replace him, you have Kamran Ghulam, Tayyab Tahir, the other batters who can chip in. But I think as far as Fakhar Zaman is concerned, there is no potential replacement, as Shamikda rightly said.
Yes, Rohit,
yes.
I would in fact stick my neck out and will say, I know Pakistan have a good bowling lineup, although it was a batting pitch and they considered 300 plus against New Zealand in the opener. But I expect this Pakistan pace attack to bowl better on the Dubai pitch, but without Fakhar Zaman. Fakhar Zaman is now there. I fear Pakistan's Champions Trophy is over.
Yeah, Pakistan's Champions Trophy is over. But what we get, what we came to know last night is that there are scans to be, done after the game. And as soon as that scans were done, it was completely, out in the open that Fakhar Zaman won't be part of the Pakistani Champions Trophy squad. We are still waiting for some more updates on this as far as the potential replacement is concerned. But what our sources are telling us that Imam ul Haq could be the opener, replacing Fakhar Zaman. But what kind of a style of batting Imam ul Haq have, and what can Fakhar do with this bat. So that's the breaking news. We'll keep you informing more about this, and just one request that please like the platform and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.